In this topic, we'll discuss about industrial society and social change and coming up socialism in Europe. First, we'll discuss about socialism and private property. First of all, what is called socialism and why they were against the private property. We'll discuss about these two issues in this topic. First of all, what is called socialism? Socialism is an ideology under which the resources of a country belong to a nation's property. Whatever property is there in a country, all including human resources, are all belong to the country's property, and country will decide to shape the resources of their own way. That is ideology of socialism. We will discuss about the root cause of socialism, why this ideology was developed in European part. As we all know that industrialization was started in Britain and spread in other parts of the world, especially in European parts as well. It brought men, women and children to factories. Large number of, for getting better employment opportunities in nearby towns and villages, large number of people came to the city areas. But in industries, the working hours are more and wages were low. That is one of the drawbacks in industrialization. Working hours are 12 to 14 hours and the wages provided by them in low. They didn't provide any other facilities. For example, housing and sanitation is one of the problem for people because industries provide them employment but not the housing facilities. So these has to manage people of their own, and they were not in condition. Some get tenements or we can rented house, but some people didn't get it. So they used to live in footpaths or nearby the roadside as well. Unemployment was common because particularly during the times of low demand for industrial goods, whenever the festive time is there, on the time they get employment, rest of the time they remain unemployed. Some other issues are also there. For example, almost all industries were property of individuals. Liberals and radicals themselves were often property owners and employers. They had a good business deal in different parts of the world. They made their wealth through trade and industrial ventures. They had factories and they used to export goods in other parts of the world and get enormous profit. They felt that such efforts should be encouraged, that its benefit would be achieved if workforce in the economy was wealthy and citizens were educated. They will contribute more in the economy and they will get more profit out of it. In that manner, all the people become prosperous. Opposed to the privileges the old aristocracy had by birth, which as the facilities by birth aristocracy had enjoying in European parts. They firmly believed in the value of individual efforts. Individual efforts, because the things change due to the efforts of individuals. Labor could enterprise. Labor used to make all those things. If freedom of individual was ensured, if the poor could labor and those with capital could operate without restraint, they believed that the societies would develop. Societies would develop if the individual freedom is given there. If individual develop, then the society and property was also developed. Then many working men and women wanted changes in the world, relied around the liberals and radical groups, because these were the group of people who thought about differently and who were the advocate of giving equal facilities to those people. Radical groups and parties till the 19th century. Some nationalists, liberals and radicals wanted revolution to put an end to the kind of government established in Europe. In most of the government in Europe are having monarchies, and they wanted a government which has more democratic setup nature. France, Italy, Germany and Russia, they become revolutionaries and worked to overthrow existing monarch. Then after 1815, Giuseppe Mazzini, he established Young Italy and Young Europe, one of the two revolutionary organizations, and to encourage others to liberate Italy. Then the efforts were made by the different governments, and the liberation in many parts of the world, especially in European part, revolutionary organizations were established to overthrow monarchy. Then how could a society without property operate? The coming of socialism in यूरोप में सोशलिज्म कैसे आया? बिकॉज ऑफ द डिफरेंट आइडियोलॉजीज वर डेवलप्ड. व्हाट वुड बी द बेसिस ऑफ सोशलिस्ट आइडियोलॉजी? सोशलिस्ट आइडियोलॉजी का बेसिक क्या था? Some said that, like one of the example of Robert Owen. Robert Owen believed in the idea of cooperatives. They believe in the ideas of cooperatives. Like Robert Owen, a leading English manufacturer, he sought to build a cooperative called New Harmony in Indiana, in USA. Other socialists felt that cooperatives could not be built on a wide scale only through the individual initiatives. They demanded that government should take initiatives and encourage cooperatives. Cooperative society क्या होती है? These were the societies in which production was done by the group of people and they shared profit equally according to their contribution. Louis Blanc, he also wanted the government to encourage cooperatives and replace capitalist enterprises. Large number of capitalist enterprises were there, and these capitalist enterprises for working for their own profit, not for the labor's profit. These cooperatives were to be association of people who produce goods together and divided the profit according to the work done by members. These were the basic nature of cooperatives. Then you have Karl Marx, another person who are against the ideology of capitalists. Capitalists owned the capital and invested in factories, and the profit of capitalists was produced by workers, and they did not give the profit to the workers. The condition of workers could not improve as long as profit accumulated by private capitalists. अगर प्रॉफिट शेयर नहीं किया जाएगा तो सारा बेनिफिट किसको मिलेगा? ऑनर्स को मिलेगा, न कि वर्कर्स को मिलेगा. Workers had to overthrow capitalism and the rule of private property. Marx believed that to free themselves from capitalist exploitation, workers had to construct a radically socialist society where all property was socially controlled by the people. Socialist को control करेंगे and this would be communist society. Then the new idea was developed in the form of socialism called communism. He was convinced that the workers would trumpet. अगर workers सिंहनाद करें, if they started crying against the capitalists, in their conflict was capitalist with capitalists, a communist society was the natural society of the future for the future. फ्यूचर के लिए कम्युनिस्ट सोसाइटीज़ बेटर रहेगी जिसमें उत्पादन के सारे साधन गवर्नमेंट के रिसोर्सेस होंगे एंड गवर्नमेंट अकॉर्डिंग टू देम विल डिसाइड टू whom the profit will given. On the memory of Karl Marx, we used to celebrate Labor Day because he encouraged laborers to fight against the capitalist society. Support for socialism. Socialism का support वर्ल्ड में कहाँ मिला? By the 1870s, socialist ideas spread through Europe. To coordinate their efforts, socialists formed an international body called the Second International. That is one of the organizations of many people of different parts of the country in European parts. Then workers in England and Germany began forming associations to fight for the better living and working condition. For example, in Britain, London, 10 hours movement were common. काम के घंटे घटा के 10 घंटे करना ये यूरोप में स्पेशली लंदन में पॉपुलर हो गया. They set up funds to help members in times of danger and demanded a reduction of working hours and right to vote. They also demanded a right to vote. Earlier, right to vote was not common to all the people. In Germany, these associations worked closely with the Social Democratic Party (SPD) and helped to win a parliamentary seats. By 1905, although socialists and trade unionists formed a labor party, however, by 1914, socialists never succeeded in forming a government, but they won major number of seats and they started demanding, but they failed to form a government in any parts of Europe. After their ideas to shape legislation, but government continued to be run by conservatives, liberals and radicals. The changes would be there after Russian Revolution. That we will discuss about in upcoming parts.